This trailer is about 13 meters long and expands with hydraulic pods. Tools are grouped by type, with places to test them and screens for live demos. It runs on a generator or plugs into outside power, and setup takes 2 to 3 hours. If you're dealing with mud, Trax can make life easier. Swapping tires for Trax can help road performance up to 100%. Right Trax Systems combines rubber with steel. The bolt-on modular is designed to installs or removes quickly. This automatic washer, called Intro Wash, cleans the inside of refrigerated trailers and shipping containers. It has 12 nozzles that blast water at high pressure, pushing 125 liters a minute, so a 16-meter trailer can be washed in about 6 minutes. Here is the Holmes tow system that turns a regular tractor into a true wrecker. Retracted, it lifts 35,000 pounds, and extended, it lifts 16,000. For install, you'll need a 250-inch wheelbase and 84 inches of clearance. Next is a system that will help you stay safe when you're moving through city streets. At up to 10 kilometers per hour, it watches the blind spot right in front of the vehicle from about 0.8 to 3 meters where pedestrians and cyclists are moving, and it will stop automatically. iCap helps with truck fuel and keeps it in your control. The fuel cap has a sensor, so if someone opens it without permission, an alarm goes off. GPS shows where the truck is and when the tank is being touched. And know this, AeroKit helps Class 8 trucks use less fuel by smoothing airflow around the drive wheels. It uses snap-on wheel covers and fairings that sit between and behind the axles. Nearly half of trucks run on underinflated tires, which matters because correct pressure can cut fuel use about 2% and save fleets thousands each year. To help you work even safer, it has lights and a backup camera, so you can see clearly in low light at night. Extra lights on the truck and trailer add awareness. If you need it, you can also add a system that makes sinusoidal rumble strips. In 2024, the world produces over 110 million tons of hay, worth more than $30 billion a year. Farmers want less time handling bales, so the Stinger Stacker 8500 is a big help. It stacks extra dense square bales fast with strong hydraulics, GPS, and automation.